Weingartz, everything from lawn to snow.
Hello, Bill Shallman with Weingartz here. Welcome to our parts and service department. Each season brings its own set of service challenges. So to learn what you need to do, let's head out into the shop. Here we are with Mike Winters, service manager at Weingartz. Mike, what's the customer need to do to get the snowblower ready for the season?
The first thing we want to do is unhook the spark plug wire. That's for safety, so we don't have any accidental starts. This is a good time now, after you unhook the spark plug wire, pull the plug out, to check the condition of that, replace it or clean it if it's needed. Since we're at this end of the blower, most of your snow blowers made currently are all 4-stroke. So they have separate gas, separate oil. You want to change your oil. Oil drain plug's right here. You can drain your oil there. Dipstick and the oil fill is right here. You get your oil drained out, refill it with a proper weight that the manufacturer recommends.
Okay, just pan and tip it.
Yep.
Okay.
Move from there, you want to check the condition of the belt. You take the side cover off, make sure it doesn't have any cracks, make sure there's no debris in here that mice or anything got in there. Check the condition of the pulley, springs, make sure everything looks okay there. Rotate it around to the front. You want to check the condition of the paddles. The paddles are made out of rubber. They're not going to last forever. They're going to wear down. And Toro has a wear hole, a wear indicator. You can see when it gets down to that, you start thinking about replacing them. Paddles that don't have a wear indicator, you can sneak your fingers in between it. If you can get your fingers in there, it's probably a good time to think about replacing those. Scraper's made out of plastic, and that isn't going to last forever either. Check the condition of that. A lot of times when you've worn the paddles down and they need to be replaced, the scraper's next to go. It's a good time to replace them both at the same time.
Okay, great. What about our customers that have 2- and 3-stage snowblowers? Bigger, anything different about what they want to do?
All right, it's about the same thing, except you don't have the rubber paddles. You have a steel auger on a 2- and 3-stage snowblowers. You do have a steel scraper edge on the bottom. You want to make sure that that's not worn out, going to wear into your housing. And you also have skid shoes on the side, and you want to make sure they're not worn down so far that it's going to wear into the housing and cause some serious damage.
Okay, other than that, spark plug, oil change, all the same?
Yep, all that's very similar.
Great, thanks Mike.
You bet.
So, if this is a job that you choose to do yourself, please visit us at Weingartz.com where you can get all your parts, or come on in, you can get them from us over the counter as well. If you choose to have your machine brought in for service, we can come pick it up and bring it back to you, or if you want to bring it yourself, bring it on in. Whichever way you want to go about it, we look forward to seeing you soon.
Weingartz, everything.